shoppers! Welcome to George and Joy Woodcrafts. Today is Tuesday. I hope lahat po tayo ay nasa mabuting kalalagayan. So please come and visit us here. 4th level, Robinson's Place, Imos. And by the way, ito nga po pala ang Gabriel Kisal Vlog. Please do like and share po. At subscribe na rin po. Maraming salamat. Marami po tayo mapagpipilian. Magagandang mga furnitures. Solid po yan. Lifetime po ito mga ito. Details. Solid. And ang aming gandang focus set. Solid po yan. Our sunset. And our hill bench. Once again guys, please do come and visit George and Joy Woodcrafts. Thank you. God bless us all. Bye-bye.